Ever wonder how supersonic jets achieve those incredible speeds? The answer lies in a unique type of engine, the Ramjet. This marvel of modern engineering is a simple yet powerful air-breathing engine that doesn't require any moving parts. It's a bit like the superhero of the aviation world, unassuming in its simplicity, yet mighty in its performance. The Ramjet engine plays a crucial role in propelling aircraft to supersonic speeds. That's faster than the speed of sound. Imagine London to New York in just a few hours. Quite impressive, isn't it? But it's not just about speed. The Ramjet's unique design helps to increase fuel efficiency, making it a more sustainable choice in an industry that's constantly seeking to reduce its environmental impact. To understand the significance of the Ramjet, we first need to take a look at its history. The concept of the Ramjet engine goes back further than you might think. The first inklings of this revolutionary idea were actually conceived in the early 20th century, with the French engineer René Laurent patenting the basic concept in 1908. However, it wasn't until the 1940s that we saw the first functioning model, thanks to the tireless work of engineers during the Second World War. The Ramjet engine, with its simplicity and high-speed capabilities, quickly caught the attention of the aviation industry. As the Cold War heated up in the 50s, Ramjets played a crucial role in the development of the first supersonic flights. Missiles such as the Mach and the Talos owe their incredible speed and power to this innovation. From a theoretical concept to a game-changer in aviation, the Ramjet has certainly made its mark. But how does it work? The working principle of a Ramjet engine is as unique as its history. Unlike other jet engines, a Ramjet doesn't use any moving parts, no turbines, no compressors. Now, isn't that peculiar? But it's this very simplicity that gives the Ramjet its charm and power. Let's break this down. The magic starts with the speed of the aircraft itself. As the aircraft moves forward, air rushes into the engine's intake. This incoming air is then compressed not by mechanical means, but by the sheer momentum of the aircraft. This is where the ram in Ramjet comes into play, as the engine literally rams the air into itself. The compressed air then enters the diffuser, a carefully shaped tube that slows down the air, increasing its pressure. This high-pressure air is then mixed with fuel in the combustion chamber where it ignites. And voila! We have combustion. But we're not done yet. The hot, high-pressure exhaust gases then rush out through a nozzle, which accelerates them. This acceleration of exhaust gases out of the back of the engine creates a force in the opposite direction, propelling the aircraft forward. This is a classic demonstration of Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. So, now that we understand how a Ramjet engine works, what makes it so advantageous? The Ramjet engine, while not suitable for all types of aircraft, offers some unique advantages. Let's delve into what makes this engine so special. One of the most noticeable advantages of a Ramjet engine is its simplicity. Unlike many other types of engines, Ramjets are essentially hollow tubes with no moving parts. This simplicity not only makes them easier to maintain, but also reduces the risk of mechanical failure, making them a reliable choice. Now, where Ramjets truly shine is when it comes to high-speed performance. These engines are incredibly efficient at high speeds, especially when we're talking about supersonic speeds. This makes them the ideal choice for certain types of aircraft like supersonic jets, where speed is of the essence. Another advantage of the Ramjet engine is the absence of moving parts. You might be wondering, how is this a benefit? Well, fewer moving parts mean there's less wear and tear, which in turn leads to a longer lifespan for the engine. It also means there's less need for lubrication, which can be a significant benefit in aerospace applications, where weight is a critical factor. All these advantages make the Ramjet engine a marvel of engineering, perfectly suited to certain types of aircraft and specific flight conditions. So, there you have it, the unique features, history, design, working principles, and advantages of a Ramjet engine. A marvel of engineering that continues to push the boundaries of what is possible in aviation.